How to fix common error in Pinterest. To fix common error on Pinterest, you could focus on basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connection and clearing app cache and data as well as addressing common account and content issue as well. So if you want to go with the internet connection, simply open up settings on your device, after which click on the first option, that is internet or network and internet. Then you would find internet, right? Click on the link first of all, or click on the icon, and then you could go ahead and restart or refresh or maybe reconnect to some other network that might be able to fix as well. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also try restarting your device. So simply hold on to your side button and then you could go ahead and restart. That might also be able to help. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also check for an update, as sometimes it could be due to the outdated version of it. So open up Pinterest or open up your respective app store, type in Pinterest and make sure whether the app needs to be updated or not. In some cases, if you're using any sort of extensions or VPN, you could also try disabling that, as it might be one of the reasons why you're having issue that might also be able to help. If nothing works out, then the last alternative is to simply uninstall and then reinstall, and that should definitely help you out. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.